How to ask a question. First, you need to go to the EdSTEM discussion board. When you click on that, it will take you to the discussion. So you're going to click on new thread, and then you're going to choose question. And then here, you will put a title. Let's say, um, so it would be maybe a bug. So if it's a bug, you need to select the category that it's bug. We have several categories here. We have like some general questions, or if you have or found a typo or something in the lecture and you want to report that, or you have a question about the exercise, about the project, about the quizzes, or you just want to communicate with other students or some technical problems, or you want to provide or give us a feedback, each one of those has its own form that you need to fill and try to provide details as much as you can. So going back to the bug, so here this is an example. It will ask you where did you find the issue? So you identify the location, and then what is the type of the issue, and then you will describe the problem. And if you have a screenshots or messages, some error messages, you would share them here. And then if you tried some solutions, you will put them here. And then you will choose your privacy level. So you can choose private, which is no one will be able to see your name, or you can choose anonymous, where they can read your question, but they're not going to be able to tell who wrote that. But for the private, they're not going to be the other student. They're not going to be able to see your question, but we will be able to see it. We can change the privacy level. If you ask a question that it's really good and we think it's going to help someone else, we're going to make it anonymous, where we're going to make your question public. And then you will post that. And you can search by clicking also on the category from this side.